So we're out here on the Thunderjet 28 Pilot. It's got twin V10 350 horsepower Veratos on it. It is compatible with the joystick control from Mercury. We're out here just verifying all the controls and functions are working as it should. A couple of features they have is Skyhook. So it's a GPS anchor. So you press the Skyhook button and it'll hold those GPS coordinates, whether the wind, the tide, currents, anything like that, you'll hold in that spot. May get off a little bit, but it'll always get back to that GPS coordinate. As you can see, the motors are trimming up, down, turning left and right, also going forward and reverse to hold that position. To disengage the Skyhook, all you do is press the Skyhook button here on the joystick controls, and that would basically disable that, and you would be in full control of the boat. Another feature they have is the auto heading. To do that, you need to be in gear and moving about 3 miles an hour to actually activate the auto heading. And then once you have that, you can press your auto heading button and you'll see there'll be some headings pop up, 10 degree and 1 degree. If you want to turn 10 degree port or starboard side, you would twist the knob and that would turn the boat 10 degrees to whatever way you twisted it. If you want to turn the boat 1 degree, you would slap it to the left and then that would turn it to the left 1 degree or to the right if you went to the right. To disengage that, you just press the auto heading button. Another feature they have is the auto route. And that is where you can pick some navigation points on your head unit and press that button and it'll link with the displays and take you on that track of the points that you put.